Standup inside of Qly. So we're on the home page right now, and I've searched for the sprint that I'm currently in, which is 3.0, and I will click here to join the session. Now what you're going to see is the lobby where I'm going to see a list of all the items that are currently inside of the sprint. And I will see all of them here real time because my session is synced to the Jira sprint. I will confirm to join the session. And now I'm inside the session. You will be able to see a collective list of all the agenda items in here, and if I click on any, which is pretty populated this, you will be able to see comments from my teammates. Since we do alternative day stand-ups, the team doesn't really jump on a call. Instead, everyone goes to Qly, opens their own ticket and shares their update directly over there, or makes any change to the latest status. If someone needs a feedback, they tag for review right in the very ticket. Any blockers are discussed in the thread and marked as unresolved or resolved so they're visible and don't get lost. Once the reviewer reports or the issue is addressed, they simply mark the thread as resolved, which you can see over here. Evan had some question that I basically answered. He was looking for a link and I shared it with him, so I marked this as resolved. By the time everyone's done, the stand-up is already completed. No meeting, no repeated updates, no follow-up messages. That was a happy Async stand-up, and it saved you 30 minutes of your day.